Hamster Warriors. I'm back with another sizzling update that might just make your phone overheat from all the crypto excitement. If you've been following the Hamster Kombat journey, you already know this game has been making waves. I also posted about the news they've just dropped. It's more than a ripple. It's a full-blown tsunami in the crypto world. Ready for the airdrop of a lifetime? Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into everything you need to know about this latest bombshell. First things first, let's talk about the date that's going to go down in crypto history, September 26th. This is it, folks. Hamster Kombat has finally announced its official listing date. Whether you're a seasoned player or just jumping into the action, this is the day you need to circle, highlight, and probably set about 10 alarms for. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, if you're thinking, finally, it's about time, well, you're not alone. We've all been on edge, waiting for this moment while other projects have been launching left and right. The pressure has been mounting on Hamster Kombat, and they've been feeling it too. But here's where it gets interesting. This announcement feels rushed. There's a certain vibe that has me concerned. Are they soaring high with confidence, or are we about to witness a crash landing? The mystery behind the listing. Let's break it down. Hamster Kombat is known for keeping things cryptic, and this announcement is no different. Remember those mysterious keys they teased us with a while back? Well, they're back, front, and center again. Only this time, they're accompanied by doors and hamsters that look like they've been training for a superhero movie. It's all very surreal, like a fever dream but in crypto form. So, what does it all mean? If I had to guess, and with Hamster Kombat, guessing is pretty much all we can do, these keys are still a crucial element in the game. Maybe they unlock untold fortunes, or maybe they're just here to drive us all a little bit nuts. Either way, they're keeping us on our toes, and that's exactly where they want us. How to prep for the big day. Alright, Hamster Warriors. If you're looking to cash in on those hamster tokens and maximize your gains, it's time to get strategic. This isn't just about playing the game, it's about playing it smart. Here's how you can prepare for the big day and ensure you're ahead of the pack when the tokens start rolling in. Maximizing profit per hour, PPH. First up on your to-do list is to focus on profit per hour, PPH. Think of PPH as the heartbeat of your hamster combat experience. Every tick counts towards your success. To put it simply, the higher your PPH, the more tokens you're raking in per hour. So how do you crank this number up? Start by investing in upgrades that directly boost your PPH. This could be anything from enhancing your hamster's abilities to unlocking new features that give you a competitive edge. Remember, PPH isn't just about sheer numbers, it's about efficiency. Analyze your gameplay and identify where you can make the most significant impact. Are there certain tasks or challenges you can complete more quickly to boost your PPH? Are there specific upgrades that offer a better return on investment? Every decision should be geared towards one goal: making your hamster the most productive little critter in the game. The power of skins, more than just looks. Next, let's talk about skins. At first glance, they might seem like a cosmetic feature, something to make your hamster look cool as it zips around the game. But don't be fooled, skins can be a game changer. A well-dressed hamster isn't just about style, it's about status. Some skins come with bonuses that can directly impact your gameplay, such as increased speed, better agility, or even special abilities that can turn the tide in your favor. So, don't underestimate the power of skins. They could be the key to unlocking new levels of success in hamster combat. Keep an eye out for limited edition skins or those tied to specific events. They often come with the best perks. And remember, in a game where every advantage counts, looking good while doing it is just an added bonus. Card upgrades, shuffling your way to victory. Now, let's shift gears and talk about card upgrades. If your hamster isn't equipped with a deck full of powerful cards by now, you're falling behind. Level 15 should be your baseline, anything less, and you're leaving tokens on the table. Upgrading your hamster's cards isn't just about power, it's about strategy, versatility, and the ability to tackle tougher challenges as they come. Think of your cards as the ultimate game changer. The more advanced and strategic your deck, the better you can navigate the game's challenges, gather resources, and, most importantly, boost your PPH. Don't just settle for the basics. Invest in those high-end cards that will give your hamster the edge it needs to outplay the competition. After all, in a game where strategy is everything, your deck is your best friend. Hexa Puzzle, the new addiction. And now for a curveball. Hamster Kombat has just introduced a brand new feature that's taking the community by storm, Hexa Puzzle. If you thought managing your PPH and upgrades was addictive, wait until you get your paws on this. Hexa Puzzle is not just a distraction, it's a strategic tool. By mastering this puzzle game, you can earn rewards that further enhance your gameplay, whether it's additional tokens, special items, or even exclusive skins. But be warned, once you start, it's hard to stop. Hexa Puzzle is designed to keep you hooked, with increasingly challenging levels that test your brain power and your ability to think on your feet. If you're feeling a bit lost or overwhelmed, don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out my previous videos where I break down the best strategies for dominating Hexa Puzzle, and make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you never miss an update. Final thoughts: preparation is key. To sum it all up, if you want to succeed in Hamster Kombat, preparation is key. Focus on maximizing your PPH, invest in those game-changing skins, keep your cards in top shape, and don't forget to master the new Hexa Puzzle. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in your overall strategy, and together, they can set you up for success when the big day arrives. So, gear up, stay focused, and get ready to make it rain hamster tokens. And as always, I'll be here with the latest tips, tricks, and updates to help you on your journey. Good luck, Hamster Warriors. Let's make this a day to remember.